They may look like soldiers, but instead they form part of the growing ranks of private Chinese military contractors. Private security is becoming a must for Chinese companies working in unstable regions, especially after a recent spate of attacks and kidnappings. Often run by former People's Liberation Army personnel, they work closely with many of China's largest state-owned companies across Africa and the Middle East. One such company is Huawei International Security Management. Corporate videos and its photo albums show its personnel providing security to oil installations in Iraq and working alongside security forces in Africa and Asia. Founded in Macau in 2009, the firm today also advises African governments and sells non-lethal security equipment.
在海外呢，现在正在尝试，有一些刚才谈到了，有一些中国的法律和体制，现在还没有在海外派出这种安保人员的这个法律条件下，我们是尊重国际安保行为准则和国外的境外的这种法律和主权来进行的一些服务，这样呢也会起到一些作用。
Here in the outskirts of Beijing, Genghis Security Services runs a training academy for would-be security personnel. Overseeing the training is a former member of a French Foreign Legion.
肯定有增长，因为市场已经抛出橄榄枝，你足够专业就要做。以前的这安保公司都是公安局直属的，那么现在要脱离这种关系，一旦脱离以后，市场的竞争自由就开始。市场竞争，那谁能赢呢？ 原因在于我的服务理念好，我的专业性强。好了，这时候我们这个才能有竞争，才有进步，这个行业才有很大的需求，才能满足这种需求。
Yet as the private security industry takes on a greater role protecting Chinese companies, some analysts suggest there's a need for tighter regulation and a more robust legal framework in China.
What we would like to see is an understanding by states of their obligation as home states, the states in which companies are based. That brings with it certain obligations under the law, and also those states can help companies by ensuring there are standards and a licensing regime to make sure that all of those companies operating in that business area are at a certain standard.
While the private security market looks set to grow, for now, one thing is sure. As Chinese companies continue to venture out of China and undertake contracts in unstable regions, they will need security companies to help them mitigate their risks. Ben Marino, Financial Times, Beijing.